Hi guys, welcome to the Let's Design channel. In this video, I will show you how to make this exercise, and its name is Fit Guide. This is the dimension from this part. Let's make a modeling part now. Well, this is the interface from Solidworks, and I want to start from a front line and go to normal 2. For the first one, I want to click a circle, then start from this point, and I want to set the diameter value, and it is 40 mm. Then click OK. For the next step, I want to click the midpoint line, but I want to change for construction. Then I want to make it a horizontal. Right click and select. For the next step, I want to delete unnecessary line by click track entities, but it is time to close it. Then click from this sketch, then click OK. Well, I want to click a line, then I want to make a vertical line. Right click and select. Then I want to set the dimension from this vertical line, it is 35 mm. Then click OK. For the next step, I want to make a vertical line from this point, then horizontal. Right click and click select. This line has a 17 mm for distance. Then I want to change the value from the distance this point to this point, and it is 48 mm. Then click OK. For the next step, I want to make a horizontal and vertical line. Right click and click select. And I want to set the distance from this point to the center, and it is 80 mm. Then click OK. And this vertical line dimension, it is 56 mm. Then click OK. Well, I want to click offset entities. Then I want to click this sketch and make sure the value is 10 mm. And then I want to connect for each point. Then click OK. And I want to give the thickness by click the features, then extrude wash. Change the direction 1 to mid plane. Then I want to set the value, it is 64 mm. Then click OK. For the next step, I want to click this surface, then go to normal 2 and click sketch and click the line, and I make it for construction, and I'm start from this midpoint line. Just click to this position, right click and select, and I want to set the dimension for this line, and it is 40 mm. Then click OK. For the next step, I want to click a midpoint line, but change for construction. Then click to make a horizontal line, right click and select. Then I want to change the length from this line, and it is 32 mm. Then click OK. For the next step, let's click the strike slot, and I want to start from this point until to this point. Then I want to click the smart dimension, and I want to change this 17.5 millimeter for the distance from these lines. Then click OK. And I want to extrude cut this sketch, but change the direction 1 up to surface, then click to this surface and then OK. For the next step, I want to make a fillet from this edge by click and by press and hold the control button, then click fillet, and I want to set the value, it is 16 mm, then click OK. For the next step, I want to make a sketch from the surface, make it a normal too. Then I want to click a circle and I want to change the diameter from the circle, and it is 10 mm. The distance center point to this side, and it is 30 mm. Then this center to this side, and it is 13 mm. And then I want to click a line, start from this point to this side from this part. Right click and select. Then I want to trim unnecessary line. Then click OK. For the next step, let's click a feathers and extrude cut. Then click OK. For the next step, make the extrude cut to this position by click mirror. Then click the mirror face or plane to front plane, then click OK. Well, for the next step, I want to add a sketch from the surface and click on normal tool and right click and click once more. Then I want to click a sketch and I want to click a line and make it for construction, and I want to start from this point until to this position. Right click and select. Make sure this line it is horizontal. Then I want to set the dimension from this line, it is 80 mm. Then click OK. For the next step, I want to click a midpoint line, but for construction. Then right click, click select, and I want to set the value, it is 13 mm. Then click OK. And I want to offset this line by click offset entities, then select this line and make sure this value is 9.5, then click OK. Then I want to click a line and connect to this line and the vertical line, then connect to this line until to this line. Right click, click select, and I want to set this vertical line dimension is 6 mm. Then click OK. For the next step, I want to make a mirror entities, then mirror about this line, and then I want to set the entities. Then click OK. And I want to give the thickness from this sketch by click of features and extrude wash. Then set a value is 10 mm. Then change the direction. Then click OK. Press the Ctrl 7 to make isometric view. Well, I want to change the color from this part. And pastel, and I want to change to this one. Then click OK. If you want to make a fillet from this edge, just press and hold the Ctrl button, then select all the edges. Select the fillet. There are information. Fillets and rounds are 3 mm. Then click OK. Make isometric view. Finally, the part is done. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you like this video and support this channel, and see you next time.